artist, I'm Mariana Olson, and today we are drawing a cat. Are you ready? Let's do this. Okay, let's start on the top of the paper, and we're gonna do first a curved line for the top of the head. It's gonna look like this. Then we're going in a little, and we're gonna do a triangle shape. And in the other side, we're gonna do also a triangle for the ears. Now, in this side, we're gonna do a curved line and another one in the right side. After that, we're gonna do a little one in each side. And then we are gonna close these two by doing a curved line that goes up really high and down. Okay? The next thing is the head. We're gonna do on the left side a curved line that goes like this. And in the right side, the same thing. And then I'm gonna close here, but I'm gonna stop right here because I'm gonna start doing the scarf. Let's do two curves. And then on the left side, we're gonna go down. And the same thing on the right side. We're gonna go down. And then we just join these two. Just like this. Let's finish the scarf on the left side doing two curves. And the same thing on the right side, just two little ones. And we are gonna close it by doing a curved line. These are not have to be straight. Then I'm gonna put here a curved line, just kind of like a spot for his face. And the eyes are gonna be two curved lines, almost like a letter N. The nose is tiny, and I'm doing this with the tip of the marker. And I'm gonna finish this with the mouth. So the mouth is just two letter U's, one to the left and one to the right. Inside these letter U's, I'm gonna put little dots. And now let's do the whiskers. We're gonna do two long lines on the left side, two long lines on the right, and little lines in the middle of those. One little one here and here. The next thing is gonna be the body. Let's start on the left side. We're gonna go down with a curved line, and we're gonna put one more. And just like this, extending a little bit. And on the right side, we're gonna do another curved line, but not as curvy as this one's. Then on this side, we're gonna do one leg by doing a half a circle. And from this point, I'm gonna do the tail. The tail is just curved lines that go out and start going like longer and tinier. Now we're gonna do the legs. So let's start with a straight line down here. And then we're gonna do a diagonal line and another diagonal line. And it looks like a triangle. And now one straight line. Okay? So for the paws, we're gonna do a curved line here, and then I'm gonna start doing letter U's, upside down letter U's. 1, 2, and 3. And we close it. The other side, the same thing. We're gonna do 1, 2, and 3. We close on the bottom, and then a curved line right here. Okay, let's follow here two lines just to close the bottom. And to finish this drawing, we're gonna do little leaves on the sides. I'm gonna start on the left side on the top. And we're just going to do letter U's that go together, going up and then going down. And it looks like this. In the other side, I'm gonna do leaves that go just curved lines that finish on a point, just like this. And let's do one more in the bottom, right here. We're gonna do a curve and close it. And in the middle, we're putting little lines to make it look more like leaves. And that's it, we finished. And now my favorite part, let's color. If you like this video, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.